Hello my friends and welcome to today's episode on Grainificent. In today's episode I will show you my little process and the photos I got with the Voigtlander 40mm f1.4 Nokton lens. A few people asked me what kind of photos does this lens take, so like I did with the previous video about the Minolta 90mm f4, I'll do a similar video here. I developed it in Adenol, that's the European version of Rodinol, at 1+50 in about 22 degrees Celsius. It was supposed to go in for 9 minutes, but I fell asleep a little bit and did it for a little over 10 minutes, so they were a little bit overdeveloped. Scanned on the Epson V600, and I didn't do any edits basically to any of the photos. They're just pure scans from the film. So enjoy this little slideshow and let me know which one of these photos you like the best. And for a contrast, which one of them do you think came out the worst? Thank you for watching and enjoy the slideshow and see you in the next episode. Bye bye.
Get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.